Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And several people have asked me about this medium wave filter that I used in this video to prevent AM stations, medium wave AM stations, from bleeding in to radios like this G6, because I have many strong AM stations nearby. And this filter does a terrific job. I originally bought it for my RSP-1A. Was it the 1A? No, I think it was the RSP-1. RSP-1 SDR, which had that same problem that this G6 has, which is it gets bleed over from medium wave. And I got this filter, hooked it up in line with the antenna, problem solved. So I've been using it anytime I had that particular problem. I used it in this video, and if you watch that video, you'll see it did a fantastic job. Anyway, people have been asking me where to get it. Okay, here we go. So down here below each of my recent videos, the last 1,000 videos, I put the new link to my Amazon store. Now, what Amazon did is about a year ago, they changed the Amazon stores, and then they gave you a different link. So I had over 1,000 shows with the old link, which I have not gone back and changed every one of them. So need to look at one of my newer shows. Anyway, you click on this link, and it takes you to my Amazon store right here. It'll look similar to this to you. And then here's all the things, most of which I've reviewed, that's in my Amazon store. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon stores, they're just basically a web page that anyone can set up with products from Amazon that they would recommend. And that's what I've got here. These are radio products or other devices, electronic devices, most of which I have reviewed. And you get, when somebody takes that link to Amazon, you get a small commission, like 4%. And once they've taken the link and they're on Amazon, if they buy anything, like I say, if they buy birdseed, you get a small commission as long as they stay there. Now, once they leave Amazon and then come back not through your link, then you don't get any commission. I've been very fortunate that a lot of my subscribers have been using that link. I've been getting a small commission once a month in the form of a credit, and then I use that credit to buy more things to review on my shows. I use that exclusively for that. Anyway, let's go down here and find a couple of things. Okay, first thing, since it's up here, this is the other thing I showed in that show. Now, keep in mind, in that show, I had 2 different packages of these adapters. And here's the better of the 2 packages. Now, this is, and it's $12 now, fantastic deal. You get all these adapters. This is for adapting the SMA connectors, which you will find on SDRs, such as the SDR Play products, to other types of connections, such as B and C and other stuff like that. In that video, I showed a combination of this one and another one. Okay, I'm looking for the filter. I bought this. Now, I've been in contact over the years with the gentleman that runs RTL-SDR, and he's got many products, and they're all very good products. And here is the combination of his SDR and the antenna package. Here's the antenna package by itself. Here is one of the filters. Now, there's several. I don't know if I have all of them in my store because he's added more. But this is the medium wave filter. So what you would do, since you took the link from my YouTube video to my Amazon store. You click on an item. It shows you. Now, you're at Amazon. I don't have a storefront. I don't have any merchandise. It's all Amazon. And then you can buy it. And this is the AM, or I call it medium wave, filter to filter out the broadcast band frequencies coming into your radio. And it works great. It's very small. It's very lightweight, so you can use it like I did. Let me go back here. Like I did on this little Grodnik G6. So it's not a lot of weight. I did have to add several adapters. Here's my pile of adapters. Now, again, this is more adapters than is in that one package I just showed you. There's actually several packages out there by RTL-SDR.com. And I'm going to, just since I reminded myself, I'm going to go dig out his other adapter packages and put it in my store, because he does sell good products at a very decent price. So anyway, this is the filter that I use. I've used it on several radios. It does a fantastic job. Let's see if this, and it's right now it's $17. I'm trying to see if, yeah, here is the FM filter right here. So he's got an AM filter and an FM filter. And then here's the antenna. So here's a bundle right here that gives you the two filters and the antenna package if you want to use his antenna package. I've also reviewed the antenna package. Pretty cool package. Oh, I think that's about it. So for those that were asking about that, that's why you can get one of these. And if you go through my Amazon store and buy one or anything else, and buy some birdseed at the same time, I get a small commission, which I use to buy more products to review on my show. That's what it's all about. I don't do Patreon or any of that other stuff. I do this that way you get something for the money that you've indirectly donated to me. No extra cost whatsoever. Like I say, you are basically going to Amazon. If you have a problem with a product, you deal with Amazon. They have a great return policy, just like Amazon. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.